Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this super cute brown smoky eye look. I did a poll on my Instagram and you guys voted to get a little tutorial, because when I tell you that this eyeshadow took me less than 10 minutes to create, you guys will be like, what? Yes, sis, I'm gonna put you on. So it's just a really cute brown smoky eye moment, you know, with the little champagne gold vibes, just to give it that cute flirty look. And stay tuned to continue watching this video to see how I created this look. I'm glad you guys are back here to see another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a 10-minute eyeshadow look. Yes, 10-minute. Keep in mind I do have extensions, so that does cut my eye look time by a good significant amount, but hey, I'm just here to show you guys the eyeshadow look in this video. So it's just a quick, cute, soft brown with a little bit of gold to get you going. You can use it as your everyday look. I'm not going to do any liner. I'm literally just going to do the eyeshadow look for if you're on the go, whatever you want to do. This is going to be the palette I'm going to be using. It is the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. This color scheme is beautiful. Now, I'm only going to use this side, which is the center side. And I'm going to use this shade. It's called Martyr. And to kid you not, I am going to start a timer so you guys can see. And I'm not playing around. Oh, fail. All right. So all you're gonna do is literally pop it into your crease. Make sure to buff out them edges. Same thing with the other eye. Wow. If you need more to add a little depth, go ahead. We're not even at 2 minutes yet. Next, I'm gonna go in with La Mia. It is basically like a shadow, but it can also be used as a highlight. Next, you're literally just gonna go in. Now for the inner corner highlight, you can literally use any color you like. You want pink, use pink. I decided to do blue. And honestly, this is what might take you more time, because you want to kind of finesse it so it looks nice and pretty. Wow, girls. Same thing with the other eye. It does not have to be perfect, because you're still gonna go in one last time with the brown. And you kind of just want to make sure it doesn't really pass your crease. Kind of like a nice symmetrical look. Wow. Then I'm gonna go in with the smaller brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my bottom lash. And just make sure to connect it. You don't want to have that little gap. Such a pretty look. All right. Lastly, I'm just gonna brush my eyelashes a little bit. Make sure there's no excess. And I'm just gonna go in one last time and buff out these edges. I added just a little shadow. And one last time with that big fluffy brush, just to make sure you mix everything together. Super pretty. You can use this look for every day, go to work, go to college, whatever it is. This will go with anything. I'm just gonna add a little bit more gold. Wow, this might be it, guys. My new favorite go-to look. Then I'm just gonna go with some bottom lashes really quick. And I use the Kush Mascara by Milk. And I am just gonna go in with a little bit of inner corner with that same shade. I already do have some blue, but I just kind of want to add a little bit of the gold. So it kind of just like mixes well. And it kind of makes it look like white. Do you guys see that difference? Not white, but lighter. Wow. I'm not gonna add any highlight to my brow bone just because I want to give the main focus on this super cute flirty look. Guys, I'm just gonna stop the timer. 9 minutes and 27 seconds for this look. Sister, if you can do it, I can do it. Anybody? Actually, no. If I can do it, you can do it. Because this is just super cute. You can use it spring, winter, fall, because the colors are so neutral. They're so pretty. They're just so flirtatious. I'm gonna get you guys a little close up. This completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this 10-minute eyeshadow. I saw a lot of you guys voted yes. First poll that got 100%. So I got a good amount of votes. I was like, I have to get this video out for them ASAP so you guys can do this fabulous look anytime you guys desire. Like I said, as long as you just blend well, you'll get it. I do have extensions on, but when you think about how long I actually spent on my eyeshadow, you can apply no lashes if you don't want to. Just some balm mascara, you know, it'll still be cute look. Or, you know, you can go in with some dramatic lashes like this. This is Wendy's line that she's going to be coming out with soon. So you guys stay tuned for that. Or you guys can apply some cute flirty cocoa lashes to complete this look. I have extensions on, but honestly this pair kind of looks like my extensions. So you guys can honestly do it with eyeliner, do it with whatever you'd like. I kind of just wanted you guys to get the feel of this nice brown smoky eye look. If you guys have any other questions on the products I use, feel free to comment down below and stay tuned for more videos.